how's it? It's me, Fix It Angel. Last night I got done doing the brakes on the Chevy S10. Replaced the brake pads, the rotors, the bearings. And now my friend wants me to change the brake fluid. So let's do this. High five, Nye. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Thank you for having me here. Brake reservoir. Let's check how dirty it is. Oh yeah, that's dirty. D-I-R-R-R-R-T-Y. First thing to do is have a kimchi container and a turkey baster. And then we're gonna suck out some brake fluid. Let's put some rags because it could spill. Just like so. Let's just suck it all. And keep on doing that until it's all gone. Looks like it's down here. That's good. I think that's good. Alright, that's how much. Look at that. Now that's dirty. Put in new brake fluid. Let's do some Bruce Lee action. Ugh, that didn't do it. Okay, that's pretty full. Yep. Let's go to the right rear tire. Gotta have this swamp cooler in Vegas. Alright guys, what I have here is the one-man brake bleeder tool I made. So we got a clear hose going all the way down. Okay. And then we have a ball bearing there. This is actually a three-way hose connector. I plugged it up right there. And then this hose goes to the bleeder screw. Let's dump some out. This is from a previous car. Let's just dump some. Alright, I think that's good. Here's the hose. Submerge under the brake fluid. Here's the bearing. Okay, let's do this. Dust cap. It says 8mm. Loosen it up. Come on. There you go. Oh, it's coming out. It's coming out. Oh, shit. I got some brake fluid on me. Dang it. It's okay. Plug it up. Get in there, baby. Okay. Oh, man. My nut's getting toasty. Ooh. Get this. The zip tie, just in case. Okay. I could pump the brake pedal. I got some brake fluid on me. It fell. Over here. Pump the pedal. I need that yet. Pump it slowly. 1, 2. How's it look? Ooh, yeah, it's working. Down. It's right over here. It's down here now. More. Oh shit. Got too much. Dang it. Wasn't watching it. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ooh, it's getting clear now. Right? Oh yeah, it's clear already. Okay, now it's clear. 40. That was 40 pumps on the brake pedal. Turn it like that. Tighten it. Good. Put in the cap. Brake cleaner. Alright. Ouch. Dang. That hurt. We got some brake fluid over here, so we just got some rags. Brake cleaner. Getting high. Okay, that's enough. I'll leave it there. Next, same procedure on the left rear and the right front and the left front. Time lapse this. Alright. That was like 30 pumps. Put it back. Alright, next is, oh sh**. Right front. Let's turn this. Huh. Okay. Let's see if this will work. Dang it, it's hitting. Nope. Ten. There you go. It's dripping. So that's 40 right rear, 30 pumps left rear. That was 20 pumps. Oh yeah, it's clear already. It's clear. Okay. Good. Forget to put this. Now, next side. Same thing. Time-lapse this stuff. Alright, last side. Let's put more. This again. the brakes. Oh yeah, that's good, man. Alright guys, that's it. All I need to do is test drive, see if everything's okay. Please like and subscribe. Peace. Cut.